In this video, I'll show you how to track your AWS free tier usage. So by default, AWS free tier usage alerts automatically notifies you over email when you exceed 85% of the free tier limit for each service. And if you want to track your free tier usage, first you want to navigate to Billing and Cost Management. Now from the panel on the left hand side, you want to click on free tier. And that displays the current free tier usage utilization in your account. Now, if we look at the report here, so here is the name of the service that we're using for the free tier, and this I'm using. Then the usage limit information, the free tier usage quota, forecast usage, and these two are actually pretty important to me. MTD actual usage tells me that for the current month, what's my service utilization. Now in the backend, I have an alert using CloudWatch to notify me if certain service actual usage exceeds 95%. Alright, so this is going to be everything I'm going to share in this video, and hopefully you guys find this tip useful. And feel free to post your question or feedback in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.